Our Realtor of the Year has also taken hold of the spotlight and shown it on diversity, equity, and inclusion, locally as well as being appointed to the NAR Diversity Committee. This person holds the highest level of respect for the recognition and importance of these values, especially as someone who has walked this path every day of their life. As a member of the citizen band Potawatomi tribe of Shawnee.
So sweet. The past 26 years in this industry have been the greatest blessing. And so my mother instilled in me, I think, a love of real estate when I was probably right around the late age, 25. She said to me, hey, your dad and I are going to buy a house in New Mexico. And I said, cool. And she said, we're going to put it in your name. And I said, cool. I'm never going to live in Taos, New Mexico is what's going through my head. And I thought, I said to her, thank you, obviously, that's super nice. And, why? But why? And she said, you know, every woman should have a place to go. And I was 25. And I thought, oh, that sounds reasonable, yeah. And she said, but also every human being should have a place to call their own, a place to stand. And that's what real estate is for all of us. Maybe not for every one of our buyers in this valley, but when you think about it, it is, because it's building generational wealth for their families that maybe they've never had before. So if you don't know, I am Native American, and that's the connection to the earth, and our belief and gratitude for Mother Earth, Father Sky, are very deep and ingrained in me. And so when she said those words to me, it didn't resonate immediately because I was 25, but I was grateful, and it started my brain thinking at that point that, maybe real estate is a good way to go, not just as a property owner, but maybe as a profession as well.